some news just coming in from the Supreme Court that is currently hearing petitions against Section 377 that criminalizes gay sex. And the centre has finally made its stand clear. Till yesterday, there was no clarity on whether the centre was opposing the pleas or whether they were going to support those moves, but now the centre has given an affidavit to the Supreme Court in which they have said that we leave it to the court to decide. So the Chief Justice in fact asked for clarity on this. So are you leaving it to our wisdom on 377 and that deals with crime and whether it should be a crime or not? And the Additional Solicitor General of India, ASG Tushar Mehta, said that we leave it to the wisdom of the court. So the centre there saying that it leaves it to the court to decide on this issue. So a big development really. Joining us now, Anurag Kalia, one of the petitioners. Anurag, what's your reaction to this?
When I am hearing this, I'm very, very hopeful because all the developments that have been happening in court are very positive, and I expect a very good judgment from the Supreme Court, but I'll still wait for the judgment till it comes. But I'm very glad and very excited hearing this.
Right, Anurag, but definitely a big boost really to the hopes and the fact that finally it will be this criminality aspect will be removed, given that the centre, because till yesterday we weren't very clear what stand the centre was taken. The first day they even wanted to adjourn the hearing. However, now the centre finally saying that it will go with the court's wisdom. So a big boost really.
Yeah. So what I think is that the arguments still need to be made against 377 because it does not just affect gay sex, right? It affects all aspects of our life. So we still have to make that argument because a court still needs reasons to scrap it. So we will still be making those arguments. But this is a very good development, as you said.
No, definitely. And of course, this is not just to do with gay sex and it's a lot wider as well. But, you know, we heard voices from within the ruling party and we heard people like Subramaniam Swamy even talking about, you know, their private opinions on this issue. And it was quite adverse to what the petitions that are there in the court right now. So given all that, really a relief to know that the centre is going to go with whatever the court decides.
So it actually listened to our plight because we are just private citizens trying to get justice, and we will always be happy whichever way we get, right?